Hey, Jeanette here. If you are considering ACT and MAC, I want to tell you my story. I have a background in psychology, undergraduate degree in psychology, rapid transformational therapist, clinical hypnotherapist, heart healer, and amongst other qualifications, Reiki attuned, a life coach. I've got all the certifications on my wall. But what pushed me over the edge with to take ACT and MAC was actually a 15-minute session that I had with a practitioner. She was so good. I thought, if I can ever be half as good as she is, then I will be a much better therapist. My confidence is through the roof. I know that I can handle any problem that a client brings to me, no matter what my niche is. I know that niches are the problem, a symptom, right? Not necessarily the root cause. And we get to the cause, we get to the root super fast. It's super efficient and effective and permanent change. And probably the most fun part about this is to watch my clients just continue to get better and better and better post session without me having to give them any additional resources. No, recordings, no follow-ups, no nothing. We get all of the therapy done in the time we're together, and they go on with their lives. It's phenomenal. We are truly transforming people's lives here. So there's no question in my mind that you should definitely do it if you're considering it. But if you have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to Scott and his team, or if you need a personal recommendation, feel free to reach out to me, Jeanette Marie LLC, and would love to chat with you because it's the best decision that I have made in my healing career. Go for it.